inside this huge factory that is going to make salted duck egg yolks. Starting with inspecting the eggs for a quality check and preparing the brine solution that contains special earthenware, salt, and perfectly clean water to keep them covered thoroughly. Within the time period of 7 to 10 days, or some companies prefer to keep them for 30 days, so the egg yolks are salted enough to be used for various purposes. Once the eggs are perfectly cleaned, all the approved eggs, I mean the ones which are not ruined, are sent towards the auto egg cracking machines. They take each egg and delicately cracks them, so that the hardened and salted egg yolk is separated from the egg white, which has become more watery than before. As soon as egg yolks are collected, dried, and inspected well, they are ready to pack. Some workers help to put the egg yolks in separate containers so they can be packed and sealed with quiet precision. Be ready, that was just the beginning. Let's see where the rest of the egg yolks have gone. Mooncakes, a staple of the Mid-Autumn Festival, are produced on a large scale in factories through a series of systematic steps that ensure both quality and quantity. The process begins with the dough continuing a mixture of several savory ingredients, sometimes sweet and sometimes a blended mixture of red beans and more. But the major step involves filling the heart of the mooncakes, which is putting those freshly made salted egg yolks. These egg yolks add a savory burst, which is more like finding a hidden gem in a pasty treasure chest. Legend has it that they were originally offered to the moon goddess, Chang'e, as a symbol of gratitude and unity. Mooncakes are round, symbolizing completeness and togetherness. Just as the full moon shines brightly, families gather to share mooncakes and celebrate their bond. Canned fruit cocktails are versatile and can be used in various ways. They can be served as a dessert, used in baking, added to salads, or mixed into yogurt or oatmeal for breakfast. They are also a convenient option for packed lunches or picnics. CP Factory prepared hard-boiled eggs make their way to you. Whether you're slicing them onto a salad, mashing them for a sandwich, or enjoying them as a protein-packed snack, these eggs are a celebration of convenience. Don't you think adding blueberries to your daily diet is a breeze? They're a convenient, finger-friendly snack that requires no peeling or pitting. Just rinse and eat. And if you're looking to keep things interesting, frozen blueberries are a cool alternative. Simply blend them into your smoothies or use them as an ice-cold treat on a hot day. Sausages, the beloved grilling staple and breakfast favorite, have a special place in the hearts and stomachs, of course, of many around the globe. But have you ever wondered just how many of these savory delights one person munches through in a year? According to recent research, Americans consume about 5 pounds or more of sausage per person in a year. Did you notice that glowing like button beneath the video? Well, hit it. I put that glow to it. You don't believe, right? Go 4 seconds reverse and see the magic. I think I deserve a like now. That golden, crispy delight is widely loved because of the crunch that echoes through the room when you take that first bite. Sugar syrup-coated cookies are the rock stars of the cookie world. They're the ones with the shiny jackets and the sweetest tunes. When you take a bite, it's like your taste buds are going to a party where the dress code is delicious. I realize it has become more poetic, so let me take you where they will get coated. Post their syrupy shower, the cookies need to cool down. They travel along conveyor belts, basking in the gentle breeze of cooling fans, or even the room temperature would work. Here you can see a little stream of sugar syrup covering all the sugar cookies from upside down, while the roller keeps moving to shower the uniform syrup on every cookie. This woman has the most important job to do, to separate each cookie when they are freshly coated, because they may get stuck forever, or even ruin others' appearance. Now they are ready to keep aside and let them cool again until the sugar syrup dries and reveals the white crystals on the surface. Before these cookies can make their way to containers, they need a few final moments to let them cool and make their way safely. Now comes the packaging happiness, where this lady, along with, I am sure, some helpers, pack these sugar-coated cookies inside the containers so they can dazzle around your jars. Making crepes is more like painting on a canvas, but the paint is the batter, and that robotic spatula is a brush. Potato chips have a unique combination of flavors and textures that make them highly appealing. The satisfying crunch, the perfect level of saltiness, and the quick energy boost they provide are all factors that contribute to their allure. When I say energy, do not confuse it with healthy energy. Potato chips don't have to be a guilty pleasure. By adopting a mindset of moderation, you can enjoy your favorite snack in a way that's both satisfying and responsible. Remember, it's not about deprivation. It's about enjoying life's little pleasures in a way that's good for your body and soul. However, it's important to understand that these delightful treats are often high in sodium and fats, which can lead to health issues if consumed excessively. Pancakes are a beloved breakfast staple around the world, known for their fluffy texture and versatile flavors. But have you ever tried filled pancakes? They're like the regular ones, but with a delightful surprise inside. Remember waking up to the aroma of pancakes wafting through the house? Whether it was your grandma's secret recipe or a lazy Sunday morning tradition, pancakes evoke warm memories. Pancakes with delicious filling inside strike the perfect balance between soft and crispy. Here's another mesmerizing sight of melted chocolate. This is something you can easily call as oddly satisfying as the way those robotic arms handle the entire process.
Welcome to the real-life fantasy world. With lightning-fast precision, it slices through blocks of cheese, creating uniform shreds ready to be sprinkled on pizzas, nachos, or grilled cheese sandwiches. These ingenious gadgets are like the artists of the baking world, taking dough and turning it into beautifully formed biscuits with a simple press and cut. Without them, you'd be stuck in hand-cutting dough all day long. These machines aren't just handy, they're vital in modern manufacturing, ensuring consistency in shape and size, while keeping up with the high demand for our favorite treats. Ever wondered how those crispy chicken nuggets get their perfect shape? Its versatility allows for seamless adaptation to various desserts, while its rapid cutting capabilities save valuable time and streamline production processes. Built to last, this cutter boasts a durable construction that guarantees long-term reliability, coupled with a hygienic design that adheres to strict food safety standards. Those machines and a couple of teams carefully examine each pomegranate, making sure it's just right before it moves forward. It's fascinating to see how these machines work together like a team to create all sorts of stuff we use every day. They are a game changer in the meat processing industry, ensuring consistency in size and shape for every patty. Ensuring even distribution, guaranteeing that every bite is bursting with flavor. Plus, they're designed for efficiency, allowing cheese producers to meet high demand without compromising on quality. Watching them in action is oddly satisfying. Whether it's the soothing sounds they make or the way they move with precision, it's hard not to be mesmerized by their efficiency. The ultimate game changers in the manufacturing realm, these cutting-edge machines are the superheroes of precision, tailored to slice and shape materials with jaw-dropping accuracy. Ever wondered how those perfectly filled trays of pomegranate seeds end up in the supermarket? It's all thanks to the magic of machines. These special gadgets pour out the seeds with just the right amount of precision, making sure none go to waste. Then once the trays are full, another machine seals them up tight, keeping everything fresh and tasty. While we talk about some ingenious machines, tell us if you want to watch more videos like these, and what else we should bring on in our next video. Here, state-of-the-art machinery carefully washes and sorts these exotic fruits, ensuring only the finest specimens make their way out. Not just picture. Watch this symphony of machinery, beautifully sorting, shelling, and processing almonds with the precision of all the units. These lines are made to make sure of the quality, and that each almond meets the highest standards of taste and texture. From roasting to packaging, every step is carefully calibrated to preserve freshness and flavor. They're heavy-duty workhorses engineered to handle large volumes of meat with precision and efficiency. Better call them a massive group of stainless steel blades churning and grinding, transforming raw meat into a uniform mixture, ready for further processing. They have entered the realm of cleansing. Here they're gently scrubbed and rinsed, bidding farewell to dirt and imperfections. But wait, there's more. That cutting-edge technology ensures every carrot emerges looking pristine, with just the right amount of peel removed to reveal their natural vibrancy. Tirelessly working behind the scenes to bring our favorite foods to life, golden treasures are originally created with zero involvement of human help. The cutlets were dipped into the pool of different coatings before getting frozen. Such mechanical marvels are the heartbeat of these operations, seamlessly blending precision and power to transform raw ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Every machine plays a vital role in all sorts of production processes. As they're getting their best treatment here, take a moment to hit that like button. Juicy delights aren't just tasty, they're packed with nutrients that'll have you feeling like $1,000,000. We're talking about a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, from vitamin C to vitamin A, not to mention a healthy dose of fiber to keep things moving smoothly. Mangoes are also bursting with antioxidants, fighting off those pesky free radicals and keeping your immune system in tip-top shape. All of these belts keep your production line moving at a steady pace, minimizing downtime and maximizing output. With precise heat-sealing mechanisms, they create airtight seals that keep contents secure and tamper-proof. Steak is packed with essential nutrients like protein, iron, and B vitamins, and even more than that. So when you have a steak next time, eat it with complete relaxation. From From automated sorting systems that separate ripe from unripe fruit to specialized machinery for further cleaning and packaging tasks, everything is beautifully done within this line. Witness the journey as plump tomatoes embark on a transformative path from vine to table-ready products. Never getting bored of such amazing and efficient food processing machinery. Tray sealers enhance product presentation and create an appealing package that entices consumers. These machines bring the heat, quite literally, as they apply labels to bottles with precision and efficiency. It's all about precision and innovation. From mixing the dough to shaping it into those iconic stick forms, every step is carefully taken by advanced machinery, ensuring consistency and quality in every batch. Get ready to slice through the competition with ultra-fast meat slicing machines. Think of precision cutting from vegetables to meat in a fraction of the time it takes manually. It's done. But here's the real scoop. Industrial cutters minimize waste, maximizing yield and profitability for food manufacturers. Plus, with customizable blade options, they offer versatility to meet diverse production needs. From pre-packaged stuff to fresh produce, these machines ensure that every item is securely sealed for freshness and safety. The products seamlessly glide down the production line swiftly and precisely packaged with minimal human interference. This line is designed for versatility. That's a wrap for today, but if you want to watch more videos like these, you can find us here.